Today, we are going to transplant chamomile into grow bags. Chamomile is a daisy-like plant from the Asteraceae family. It is commonly used in herbal teas for its calming properties and apple-like flavor. Additionally, it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This is German chamomile, also known as Matricaria chamomilla. You will need a 5 to 10 gallon grow bag for transplanting. I get my grow bags from Guardsman. Ideal for limited space. Link in description. Start by filling your grow bag with a high-quality soil mix. I get my soil mix from my local Lowe's store. Use a hand tool to dig out your chamomile seedlings. You can dig out individual seedlings or leave them as bunches. Be sure to be gentle with the root system while transplanting. After transplanting, water them thoroughly and place in direct sunlight.